Hi everyone, this is Nisha Kandelwal. I'm your English teacher for the NIOS exam. And the thing is that today we are going to discuss the sample paper for grade 12, and I will share with you a few um, techniques where you can save your time a little, and you can use that time in writing your answers, the lengthy answers, right? And the marking scheme or the guidelines which are given in the paper, you need to be very careful. So I'm going to share with you people the paper. Okay. Yes. So as you can see, the paper is there, and don't be afraid from those 45 questions all divided, because these 45 question carries the short answers, very short answers. Okay, match the column, one word, MCQs, many are there. So just don't be afraid, but still, sorry, you need to take care that this would be a language paper and it would be very, very lengthy for people. So if you are slow in writing, you need to focus on your writing speed as well as reading it, because in grade 12th, we would have, I guess, 4 to 5 comprehension passage from the literature and from unseen passages as well. So that you need to take care of. Okay. So here we can see there are instruction given. Now, I would like to say that you need to very careful about these instructions. For example, it is saying 1 to 25. Question number 1 to 25 are carrying 1 mark each. Okay, so it will be consumed almost, I guess, 45 minutes, not more than that. Okay, don't consume, because if you don't know the answer, leave the question then and there. And after completing all 25 questions, you can go again and have a look. Okay, in one go, whatever you know, what answer you know, which answer you know, you just stick it or you just write write the answer, but don't stuck to one question. Just go on. Okay, then it is saying 26 to 26, 28, and then 34 to 34, 41, 43. These 5 questions would be carrying 2 marks, although marks would be written in front of the question, but still you need to take care that don't exceed the word limit. Sometimes what happens, we know all the story, we know all the characters, so we keep on writing. Okay, we never think that, okay, if the question carries only 2-3 line answer, so you should write that much only, not more than that. Although you know, still you don't, you should not write that long answer, because it will consume your time. So it is written, see, the variety is there, 2 marks, 3 marks, and then 4 marks. And the word limit is also there, 30 words, 40 words, 100 words. So for 30 words, we generally think that 2 lines are more than enough. Okay. For 40 words, 3 lines are more than enough. For 100 words, 6 to 7 lines. Okay. So you need to take care of that. Now carrying 5 marks, 42 number question is carrying 5 marks. So now 150 to 200, almost 1.5 exam sheet page. Okay. And then again 37, 35, 37, 39 have test items. So they have different marking scheme. And then you are having the optional module as well. So don't do both of them. Do attempt only one optional module. Okay. So the part A is saying prescribed test. That means the literature which we have prepared. Okay. So now the literature is saying very easy questions are there. Who's the poet of where the mind is without fear? What's the grandmother? What is the grandmother begging for in the poem My Grandmother's House? Love, affection, respect. Rabindranath Tagore is the poet of that poetry, right? What kind of night? That was a rainy night. Or see, in question 3, only 2 questions are there. So you need to attempt only one. So Parting with his poison flash of diabolic tale. You need to tell the meaning of flash. And then what does the phrase narrow domestic wall mean? And what is meant by mind is without fear and head is held high. So narrow domestic walls are representing the casteism, the religious, uh, what we say, religious superstitions, we can say, right? And casteism, society, and discrimination based on uh, caste, religion, creed, complexion, it could be nationality, right? So these type of things you need to say. Now again, why does the poet call the wood yellow wood and the road not taken? Because that was the autumn season. That's why the whole leaves were yellow and pale. That's why it was a yellow wood, right? So you need to be very quick and crisp for your answers. That you need to understand. Now, one more thing is that read the text carefully. Now, this is the unseen passage. So you need to understand how it is saying. Okay. So check. This was the, I guess, reading with the understanding. This was one of the chapter of that. Yes. So identify true and false. Now you can see these are very, very short answers. You need to be very correct. If you don't know the answer, leave the question then and there. Okay. Complete whatever you know first and then come again that what you have left. Put a pencil tick continuously. Okay. So this objective type part could be done in that way. Now next we can non-prescribed test, which I was telling you that this would be little tough for you people because these are completely unseen passage, right? So you need to read that this passage at least 2-3 times and then you will be able to give the answer. So still we have reached till question 11 only, right? These all are again MCQs and one-liner question. Again, one more passage is there. Two passages we have seen, three passages actually, one from the book and two are unseen completely. And then grammar comes. Now again, I'm saying that you need to check the correct answer, fill it, write it, and just move on. Don't stuck to the question. Because till 25, you are getting these type of question. One word, one liner, fill in the blanks, match the column. Okay. Now this is passive voice only. You need to check. Okay, Suman dusts and mops our house every morning. So then which one would be correct? Our house is dusted and mopped every morning by Suman. Suman is dusting and mopping our house every day. Our house is getting dusted and mopped every day. It would be the first option. Okay. Now, again, writing skill. See, this is a question of writing skill, but the question are related to this question, all are MCQs. Check. Don't write the report or article. You need to check the question below that. Okay, so till 25, we will be doing this only. And then okay, they have given question for modules as well. Now part B. Now this is the real paper which you need to do. Now you can check how many questions anyone. Don't read the instruction very carefully that it is saying any one question. Don't do, if you know both of the question, then do whatever the easy one or whatever the perfect one. Okay. So any one is a return and then following question, this you need to do all. Then non-prescribed test. Again, it was a passage. It is a passage. Then you are going to write the answers only. Okay. So how many passages are there? Many. Four we have seen earlier, along with the literature one, and 2, 3, 4. Third is this. Okay, again, grammar is also there. Passive, indirect speech is also there. So you need to read the instruction and then you need to do the paper. This is the main basic point of this paper, that don't write anything which is very superficial and you're not reading the question. For example, it is the part A where the MCQs are there, but it's the writing question. So you start writing without checking below that MCQs are there or one-liner questions are there. Okay. So in this way, you need to do the paper, and you need to be very careful. As I was saying that time management. Okay. You are getting only 3 hours to complete the paper. Let me check. I guess 3 hours is there, not more than that. Yes, 3 hours. So you need to understand that 40 minutes approx I'm calculating for reading part only, which you will consume to read the question paper. So you are having only 2 hours and 20 minutes. If your reading is fast enough, then it could take half an hour. Otherwise, 2.5 hours is your writing time. So that you need to calculate that how you are going to do the MCQs, or how you are going to the descriptive part. That means question answers. Okay, so you need to be very, very careful about your time, about your writing speed. And if you don't know the answer, as I'm saying, leave that question then and there. You don't have that much time to hover and think and to pondering that what would be the answer of this question. Don't waste your time. Go to the next question. Okay. Thank you so very much. Have a great day.